Sinto ko, hanap-hanap kita. Bakit nagtatampo? Nilisan ako. Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko, sinta. Paano ang Pasko?
Yung muna, lungkot ng kanta mo.
Lungkot
Lungkot ako. Palitan mo naman.
Palitan mo naman yan, lungkot naman.
Meron tayong pasisiyahin doon eh. Meron tayong pasisiyahin doon. So kailangan masaya ang kanta.
Eh, what song? That's the only Christmas song I know na
Sige nga.
ano eh.
Ito.
Pilipino.
What is that? Yung masaya naman, kanta tayo.
Eh, kayo kumanta.
Sige,
That was the string.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. All the time is riding one was open say, hey!
Oh my God! Ang gulo! Hello po, mga kababayan. We are so glad to be back. Thank you again for inviting us. And I think we're very close to Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas po! We are so excited. We're so excited, Gary and Adam and Glenn, di ba?
Oh yeah, very much.
This is like
Oh,
one
yeah.
Christmas. Malapit na Christmas. Malapit na Christmas. So this is a gift to you. And we're so glad to help once again raise more funds
Right, that's
so that
right.
we can finish the church that we've started building. Thank you so much for all the organizers that helped create this event and make sure that it happens once again. I hope that you'll enjoy and have a lot of fun. Okay? Ano bang in-store tonight naman? Different from the last time.
Yuga na.
You gonna!
Maraming sayawan, di ba? And then we have a new person with us. Di ba natin introduce si Gary?
This is the new guy.
Hindi na kailangan?
We don't know who he is.
Ay, ang tema pala is Yugyuga na. So a lot of dancing that will happen tonight.
Siyempre.
Maraming Yugyuga.
Siyempre.
So get up on your
seats.
get on the dance floor and dance tonight. Marami po tayong sayawan ngayong gabi.
Peace.
Wala.
Merry Christmas
Merry
and
Christmas
enjoy the
po.
show.
Enjoy the show.
Yeah.